Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are solving one of the most interview asked question in Java. So how to find the first non-repeated character in the given string. So this question is very important for coding rounds and fresher interviews. So before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss helpful Java programs like this one. Okay, let's quickly share my screen. So I am sharing my screen. Yeah, so this is the problem statement. So write the Java program, to find the first non-repeated character. So what is this first non-repeated character here? By seeing the B is, it is non-repeated character. Okay, for example, I will take one more. So J, D, B, A, B, A, okay, A, D, B, A, B, S. So what is the non-repeated character here? So the D. So we can able to see, I mean, by seeing we are able to see the B, but we need to write the logic here. So how can I write the logic here? So I am using the two for loops here. Okay, I am using the two for loops and I will compare one character with the remaining characters. Okay, if it is repeated, then I don't want to print this character. If it is not repeated, then only I will create the I will I will print the non-repeated character here. Okay, let's quickly jump into the program here. Okay, yeah. So uh, here I am taking the string as banana. Okay, here first here I want to find the first non-repeated character here. Okay, so here I am taking for loop here, one for loop for int I equals to 0, I equals to 0. Okay, I less than I less than str dot str dot str dot len I plus plus. Okay, here I am iterating each character. Then I am taking like one boolean value. Boolean is repeated. So if it is repeated, I am making it as, if it is not repeated, okay, not repeated. If it is not repeated, I make it as true. So true here. So I'm set the value as true. If it is not repeated, I need to set the value as true. The next I'm taking one more for loop here. Into j equals to 0, j less than string dot length minus 1. Okay, string j plus plus. Okay, here I am writing one more condition here. If condition, if, okay, if I is not equals to j, and okay, if I is not equals to j and str dot I and str dot j equals to j, then is repeated equals to make it as false. Okay, here what I am doing here, like, okay, first time comparing with the b with the b. So here I am comparing with the b with the b. So if b is not equals to b, that is false, because b is equals to e, because b is equals to b. And okay, str dot caret of I, so the b is equals to b. So then, so that both conditions will true only, then it will be entered into this particular thing here. Okay, otherwise, then I will make one more condition. If, okay, if if it is if it is non-repeated, then system dot out dot println str dot caret of I. Okay, here what I am doing here, first I am setting as the is non-repeated. I am taking one boolean value. If it is non-repeated, I set the value as true here. Okay, and I am comparing with the I value, b value with the b value, and okay, and the next one, so the a value and n value, a value, so all the values I am comparing with the comparing, and I wrote one condition here. If I is not equals to j, if I is not equals to j and str of, I mean str dot caret of I is double equals to str dot caret of j. If, okay, so these conditions are met only, then it is non-repeated, is not repeated is false. Because for example, here I am comparing with the b. Okay, so b is not equals to b is not equals to b, that is false. Okay, and so b is equals to b, so the condition is true. Okay, but one condition is failed. So it is not repeated character. So then it is stored into here. Okay, and A. So again the B is the same way. The one character it will all the characters comparing with the all the characters, increment the value here. Okay, increment the value and everything compared with the another characters. If it is repeated, if it is not repeated only, I am printing here. If it is repeated, then give the break here. Give the break. If it is okay, then again if it is not repeated, I am giving the break condition here. Okay, so I am just running the thing here. Oh, okay, so it is running another program. So I need to right click and run this program. It is running previous program, so I am running our program. So it was building now. Yes, it is finished. The first non-repeated character is B. Okay. For example, if I am providing one more thing here, so if I am providing A, B, C, H, and all the things here. So if in this string I want only first non-repeated character. Okay. Now, so I am giving again run the program. Okay, J. So the J is first non-repeated character. Okay, so here what I am doing, just I am taking one Boolean value. If it is not repeated, I am set the value as true. Okay, I am set the value as true. And after that, I am comparing with the both the values I equal to 0, J equal to 0, S is compared with S. S is not equal to S is not equal to S, it is false, and S is equal to S. It is also it is true, false, it is false equals to true equals to it is true here. So it is not repeated, it will set to the false. Okay, and and I'm break the situation here, and again I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus K. So next K. So K is equals to, K is not equals to J. The same way, the both the ways it will compare the things, and it will print the first non-repeated characters here. So this is the program. So thank you so much. So just we need to use the two for loops here. We need to compare the characters here, and after comparing the character here, after comparing the character, and we need to write the one simple condition here. If this condition, if I is not equal to J and character of I, so the zeroth position of I equal to 0, and the zeroth position of the J. Okay, it is equal to 0. It is equal. Then make it as false. Okay, so thank you so much. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe.